Hello, first graders. Welcome to your spelling test for this week. Please make sure you have a pencil, an eraser, and your spelling paper in front of you, or a blank sheet of paper numbered 1 through 12. Let's begin. Number 1, soon. How soon can you be home? Soon. Number 2, new. New. James got a new bike. New. Number 3, noon. Noon. I eat lunch at noon. Number 4, zoo. I like to see the bears at the zoo. Zoo. Number 5, boot. Boot. Where is my other boot? Boot. Number 6, to. May I go to? To. Number 7, moon. The moon is round. Moon. Moon. Number 8, blue. The wind blew past me. Blue. Number 9, soup. The soup was hot. Soup. Number 10, you. Do you like to skate? You. You. Number 11, grew. I grew last year. Grew. Grew. And number 12, scoop. I have a scoop of ice cream. Scoop. Scoop. All right, boys and girls, if you need to hear a word again, go ahead and watch the video one more time. Great job, super spellers.